Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here today with you guys and show you this easy to make Mickey Mouse that's gonna help a lot of people. But before this, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, and I want to leave a special message for Chandra that left me a little comment. So if you want to do that too, please leave a comment down below. I'm gonna start making a little teardrop shape in red and the same size teardrop shape in black. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about this video. I know I disappeared. I got a lot of messages here, a lot of messages on Instagram, but was a little adaptation phase for me between keeping up with my YouTube channel and also working full-time and being a mom of triplets and a little boy. So I have 4 kids, as if you don't know, on my channel, and I was trying to adapt all that, but I miss so much making my crafts and my videos, so I will be back. So you see, I made teardrop shapes, and one in black and one in red, the same size, and I'm cutting the little piece on the top a little smaller than I'm gonna leave from the bottom, because the top is his, torso, and the bottom's gonna be his pants. So you're gonna keep that teardrop shape in place and size, and we're gonna just do it together. You roll around on the table just to be sure then they are gonna be sticking to each other. Put a little toothpick to keep everything around. I am not using glue because I'm using the air dry clay, and it sticks like you cannot imagine. And that was adaptation for me too, after so many years using the cold porcelain. But I can talk about more about this for you guys too. I made 2 little balls and a long teardrop shape for the arms, and now I'm just gonna make 2 little balls for the little hands. It's a very basic way to make mini, but will look super cute if you want to make a candle or put in your cake or make for your kids or give it like as a present. So you don't need to be here and think, oh my god, Mickey's super hard to make. You can make it in a little cutie style, And I make 2 tiny little balls and a little long waist to make his buttons. You can also make in yellow. I see both sides in yellow and white, and I thought that the white was cuter since I'm gonna put a yellow on the shoes. As you can see now, I made 2 little balls and 2 teardrop shapes, and I really want to make a video one day for you guys. Let me know if you want to do that. You know the shapes, then you always start your clay balls, teardrop shape in a circle, things like that. Then it really helps you to get in any shape you need. And I'm just squishing them to be in the same size and placing right there next to the little buttons, between the buttons and the arms. And he's already getting in shape. I made a little ball with black and flattened them out, and now I'm flattening them out even more on the table like this. And I was thinking, watching here, doing that voice over. If you guys want me to make a template, then I can, make a circle and draw the sizes that I'm using. If that makes easier, I can leave on my Facebook. So if you think that's would be cool for you guys, it'll be easier. I totally can do that, so you know exactly what to cut, you know exactly how the ball needs to be, since this air dry clay doesn't weigh anything, so it's hard for me to make weight. And now I make another 2 balls and I flatten out for the ears. Just be sure that they are the same size. And yes, I will always explain my videos talking like crazy and trying to give you guys as much as information as I can, as always. And now I'm placing the ears just like that and being sure then they are the same size. So now we're gonna open a little skin color, squish it down to be very flat, not super thick, but not super thin, so you can, cut. And I just put on the top, as you can see, and I didn't cut that out of the video for you guys to see, then it's gonna fit. And I'm using a cutter, a pumpkin cutter, to cut the top of his face. I was trying to make a very basic easy for everybody to make Mickey, but it's not everybody that has a bunch of stuff. But this cutter, it was a pumpkin cutter, then you can find anywhere the small size pumpkin cutter. So I wanted to use something that you guys can have home or easy access to and cheap. Then you could have it if you want to make this to sell or make for your kids or things like that. I made 2 little marks with a toothpick to separate the cheek part of his face and the top part of the face. And now I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm trying to not use any tool or anything like that, so you don't need to spend lots of money buying a bunch of stuff, then you're never gonna touch it again. Trust me, I do that all the time. I decided that I want to make cookies like you saw in New Year's. That was my last video, and I bought a bunch of stuff and I haven't touched it yet, but I'm gonna start making videos and we're gonna learn together. So if you never make cookies, just tune in, subscribe, don't forget, because we're gonna learn together. And I'm just cutting in like a round shape to finish his face right there when I mark the toothpick. So you put it on the table and you can adjust, you know, make sure that the top part, those little, it's like the top of the heart or the pumpkin is like both sides are the same, and then you have this part of the cheek. And now we're gonna put on the face. I'm not waiting to dry, and I'm also again not using clay because I'm using the air dry clay, and it's perfect for that, perfect for cake toppers because it's super light and it's fluffy and doesn't fall on the floor, it's not gonna break. So as you can see, I'm using the back of my paintbrush, but if you don't have any paintbrush, any like pencil, anything that you have like that, you can make those marks to make your little Mickey. And now I'm making 2 rows just to put there in the middle. Just be sure then you have 2 the same size, so it doesn't matter why, it doesn't matter how it's gonna be, you know, the same size. And now I'm making another little ball and being a little bit more longer than wider for his nose, just like that. And I'm just making 2 little dots with the light on the eyes for the light reflection. And you also can make a little strip with the white on the nose just to give a little, you know, hello of the light. You can make a little mouth with the paint, with Sharpie, whatever you want. I'm just doing way too dry to use a Sharpie, and he's super done, and he's super easy. If you want that way to dry and make his cheeks a little pink, you can do that as well. And today, since it's my first video of 2020 and I want to start with a bang, I'm giving away for 2 people. One is going to be the Firm Royal set of brushes. It comes with flat brushes, angular brushes, a bunch of things that I am going to show you guys as well, because I love to paint wood and decorative painting and things like that, and I haven't done so much on my channel, but I want you guys to have it. And this is the soft set, and no, nobody gave me this. I bought it my own money. I bought one for me and one for giveaway, so we can do it together and I can give back a little bit everything that you guys have been done for my channel. And if the second person, I will give you 1 set for making molds, and the medium one, the pink one. So I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna just wish for you guys to subscribe my channel, give me a like, share and comment on this video, and you up to get all these prizes. Thank you so much for everything, and let's start the 2020 together with lots more coming up. Bye guys, so happy to be talking to you again.